Since the dawn of time, the universe has whispered its secrets through the fabric of space-time. These whispers, known as gravitational waves, are ripples caused by some of the most cataclysmic events in the cosmos. In 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO, made history by detecting these waves for the first time. The source? A collision of two black holes over 1 billion light-years away. This groundbreaking discovery confirmed a key prediction of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity and opened a new era of astrophysics, allowing us to listen to the universe in a way never before possible. Since then, LIGO, along with its European counterpart Virgo, has detected dozens of gravitational wave events. One of the most notable was the collision of two neutron stars in 2017. This event not only produced gravitational waves, but also electromagnetic signals, allowing scientists to study it across the entire spectrum. In recent years, the discoveries have continued to amaze. In 2020, a mysterious object was detected merging with a black hole. The object, too massive to be a neutron star and too light to be a typical black hole, has puzzled astronomers, challenging our understanding of stellar remnants. These observatories are continually being upgraded to increase their sensitivity, leading to more frequent and distant detections. The future holds promise for even more incredible findings, potentially revealing the secrets of dark matter and the early universe. Gravitational waves are not just a tool for studying black holes and neutron stars. They can provide insights into the fundamental nature of gravity and the very fabric of space-time. As we continue to explore this new frontier, each detection brings us closer to understanding the profound and intricate dance of the cosmos. The whispers of the universe are becoming clearer, and they have so much to tell us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. Remember, the universe is always speaking. We just need to listen.